most important aspect of our robust corporate interface is the tie-up with top industry leaders from renowned companies such as Coca-Cola, Amul, Deloitte, Wipro, Accenture, Reliance, Thornton, and many more. We have expert corporate panelists who are business leaders on PIBM's board and contribute to a curriculum designing process, as well as conducting regular corporate sessions and workshops on the weekends. The industry co-designed curriculum, designed with the assistance of our corporate panelists, ensures that we are trained in business management concepts that are aligned with latest industry requirements across domains such as finance, marketing, HR, analytics, operations, and many more.
The most important aspect of our robust corporate interface is the tie-up with the 750 plus corporate leaders such as CEOs, CFOs, CMOs and other senior business professionals who regularly visit our campus to provide specialized training to us. Such training sessions and workshops are tailored to address the latest trends and challenges in diverse sectors and industries. It includes teaching us practical aspects of management concepts, conducting mock GDs and PIs, sharing their real-life industry experiences, and personalized mentorship sessions. This invaluable training and guidance equips us with much-needed industry-aligned knowledge, skills, and confidence that has helped the students to crack job interviews at campus placement, by where we get the opportunities to showcase our skills at more than 800 top MNCs worldwide.